Hi YouTube, it's Jashi here today with another update on my Fundrise portfolio. 3 weeks ago we were at $32,700 with 233 properties under my portfolio, and my daily returns were between $2.5 to $3 every single day on a dividend perspective, plus appreciation that unfortunately we can only see at the end of every single quarter. So let's jump right through it. As you can see here, we're at $33,575, so almost $900 above our past level, which is very good. Another good milestone is we reached $6,000 in total return since I started, which I'm very happy for, and we are officially above our $3 daily dividend return on the portfolio. I've been seeing $3 every single day at least for the past 2 weeks, so I believe this will be the new standard of daily returns, and it will only go up from here on. Of course, we cannot predict the future. Now, in terms of actual portfolio, I can tell you that my portfolio sold 3 properties for a profit, which we will probably see the returns of at the end of the quarter. Another thing, we added another couple of properties. I have a total of 236 properties under my portfolio now. We added one property in Florida, this one here, a single family rental, let's say complex in Texas, and another complex down in Texas. These were the big acquisitions I saw in the past couple of months. I'm excited to see appreciation on this side because the 3 properties that were sold made a very good return. I hope it will be high at the end of the quarter, and I will do an update about it. As you know, I don't want to get too deep into all this like most other people do. I want to just give you a quick update. I'm very happy with the platform, and as per now has been performing less than my active real estate properties that I invest in and I fix myself. That's of course acceptable because in this case I'm not working on these properties. Another company is, it's 100% passive. The money is less, but it's easier to get, and I'm okay with giving up the little profit for something that is completely passive. If you want to see the journey of my Fundrise and many other portfolios I'm working on, please subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, please leave a like so we can show these videos to as many people as possible. If you have any questions about Fundrise, leave it on the comment section. I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you, people. Ciao!